Tuesday, and we're heading to Jamestown. I don't even know where exactly to go. We're just enjoying this beautiful day while the kid is in school, enjoying some mommy and daddy time. What do you think? Is that something you enjoy?
Yeah.
First stop, Walgreens. What are you buying, Daddy?
Drugs. Meeting my
From Walgreens. Hi guys. So I finally found the Mega Last. Oops, okay, you didn't see me. Okay, so I finally found the Mega Last liquid lipstick, or liquid catsuit matte lipstick from Wet n Wild. And so I'm gonna try this. I know it's too dark, but we'll try it and see how long it would last. Okay, I'm going to apply it now. This is a lipstick fail. I picked a super dark color. I don't even know how I'm gonna take it off. I don't know how I'm gonna take it off because it dries so quickly. And now Tyler gave me a couple more dollars so I could buy the other one.
So?
No, I'm not gonna go down there with these lips.
You better take it off because I ain't seeing you walking around with you all day with that on your face.
What's wrong with it? Maybe it would look good if I have my whole makeup on, like whole glammed up.
Right.
But with just like a bare face and this on a day.
Go get your other one.
Okay. Fail. Guys, nakakaloka. I didn't think it would be that pigmented. Pero ngayon ang hirap niya tanggalin. I put some Vaseline on my lips and wipe it off. Yep, very pigmented, guys. I could probably wear it with the full makeup on, but not just like this. So yeah. Yep, that's what just happened. So pumasok na ulit si Tyler sa loob ng Walgreens to buy me that other shade na gusto ko. That's Vaseline. I always have a thing of Vaseline in my purse. So yan, almost off na siya. Thank you, Daddy. So let's see. This is the other shade that I wanted. This should work better. It's called Give Me Mocha. The other one is called Goth. What is it? Goth Topic. So I mean, it did look like
what it's
a goth.
to be.
Yeah. Okay.
We know now.
Yes. All right.
Those wipes
later.
work for you.
I applied it. We're gonna eat later, and then we'll see how it holds up. But that's it right now. Like it better. It's dry already. Can you tell?
Yeah, it's matte. For you to tell.
Okay, we are here now at the Home Depot. Titingin lang kami ng ilaw para sa kusina. And there's the sexy boy. So anyway, ito na yung itsura. Okay, okay pa. What is it? Power drill?
Yep. That you're gonna buy me?
Because?
Because you love me.
Do I?
Probably not. No, don't need it right now, I guess.
Okay. Kasi I'm always looking for messed up paint. Yung magkamali lang sila ng paghalo ng paint.
Bandsaw.
Mura lang siya. Nagagamit ko sa art ko. What, Daddy?
That's what you need.
Why do I need a bandsaw? I thought we already have one.
We don't have a bandsaw. That's what you need. That would complete the
woodworking area.
Yep, the wood shop.
Okay. Maybe if I sell a lot in this coming up craft show, then I may. That's what always happens. I make stuff, I sell them, and then I ended up just buying like stuff for them. Okay, but I'm investing right now. That's what's happening. All right, let's see. Are we done?
Yep.
Okay, we are now in a different store called, what is it? Bargain Outlets? Yeah. Anyway, I'm here because I'm gonna buy some wood for my crafts. Let's see. Kasi mas mura siya dito. Yep. Let's see on the other side. Is that the same wood that I bought the last time?
No.
Okay, so I'm not gonna get any more of those. I may get some from here, from the wider planks. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll probably get more later. I'll have to think of what to make with them first. This is my favorite street here because of the trees. But right now they look dead. But during spring or summer or fall, they're beautiful. So for lunch, the restaurant that we wanted to go to is closed. Like for good maybe, until the new management takes over. But he wanted to
Surprised it didn't happen sooner.
Yeah.
But whatever.
But he didn't get, but he wanted to get Arby's, and I don't want Arby's. This is what I ordered from Lang Lang. Yum.
Okay, no. You do make some compelling arguments, but I will never agree with you that the best
That is
James
good
Bond
too.
is
You wanna
Austin
try?
Powers.
Yeah, baby, do I make you horny?
Okay, so we're done eating, and we're just gonna spend some time here at the garage and cut up the woods that we bought so I could stain them. So anyway, update on the lips. After eating that Chinese food, medyo natanggal siya yun dito because of the grease, but it's okay. Okay, so this is how I do it. I measure it and ginuguhitan ko ng line, tapos si Tyler yung mag-cut for me because I don't like power tools. So yep. Okay, so na-measure ko na yung mga kahoy and nalagyan ko na rin ng lines. We're on our way to get the little poo-poo boy.
Yep.
Kasi kahapon ng agang dumating ng school bus. So yeah. Blah, blah. Look how pretty this thing is. Wow.
Bear,
Kamay.
Put her back what?
Logan.
can play Inky Overdrive.
I suppose.
Logan, look it. Say hi.
Hi.
How was
How was
school?
school?
Kinda good.
Kinda good. What do you mean kinda good?
I just want to.
You want hawak kamay? Do you want to race?
Get ready, steady, go. I won.
Good job, baby.
I'm really fast.
You are very fast. Good job. Can you tell us real quick what just happened? Show us your finger.
So, this is how it happened. When I was going to get out this, something pinched me like this piece.
That thing pinched you?
Yeah.
Okay, now he's done cutting my stuff. And then the next step for me to do is to sand them before I stain them. So he's just gonna get the sander ready for me. Such a supportive husband. Not only supportive, but very, very poggy. Look at that face. Ooh. Okay, so tapos na akong mag-sand ng mga planks. Ito na. Ready na siya for staining. Oops. Ready na siya for staining, but bukas ko na siya i-stain kasi lumalambig na and mukhang uulan. See the clouds? Oh, so creepy. So, ano na ako. Ang dami ko ng alikabok. And sa buhok ko din. Ang dami ko ng alikabok pati sa buhok ko. Bukas na nga ako mag-i-stain kasi gusto ko nasa labas ako pang nag-i-stain dahil yung amoy nung wood stain at saka kung umulan matatagal lang matuyo dahil sa humid. But yeah, bukas na lang ulit. Yung palang update sa lipstick. Mga 6 na oras na nakakalipas. Oh, ano nga ba? Yeah. Mga 6 na oras na nakakalipas. Ano na ako, uminom, kumain, nandiyan pa rin siya. Yeah, update ko lang kasi tatanggalin ko na siya kasi maliligo na ako. So, yeah. Okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya too drying and komportable siya. Yeah. And itatry ko ulit yung goth topic. So, yeah. Oh, hi,
Where's
baby.
Daddy?
Daddy's cleaning up mommy stuff outside before it rains.
Wanted him to play and overdrive.
Ito pala yung sinasabi nilang overdrive. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I didn't want it to play by myself.
So, ito yung niregalo sa kanya nung lola at lolo niya nung Pasko. Ngayon na nila binuksan. And I think, how do you play it, Daddy? The iPad controls it, or what?
Yeah. Well, no, it knows the track. Like, it can scan the track.
That's awesome.
So whatever track you build, it scans it, and then it knows the layout.
Nice.
Unless you have a cat.
That makes it more interesting with a kitty.
Are you going to end the vlog here? Because you're going to sleep soon.
Okay, blow them kisses. Oh, such a sweetheart. That's